Take a little trip down memory lane with me. It was 2020. We were in the middle of a pandemic lockdown. Nobody was driving anywhere. Well, after travel restrictions were lifted and we started driving again, did we immediately take our vehicles in for regularly scheduled maintenance? In fact, service departments were packed. You had to wait months, and what nobody is talking about is how that could have affected your vehicle warranty. Fast forward to today. If you have a breakdown, all your current warranty company has to do is prove you were late for an oil change, which was typical between 2020 and 2022, and they could deny your claim. No kidding. Sunset is not going to let that happen. Not if they can help it. Stop by any Sunset Auto Family dealership and take their warranty health check. It only takes a couple of minutes, and if your warranty is questionable, Sunset will trade you out of your current vehicle and make sure you're covered with warranty protection for life. This is an absolute no-brainer. Visit any Sunset Auto Family dealership and get your complimentary warranty health check. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.